Hi there. I got into a conversation this week about components in Canva when I was teaching a class, and I thought, this is so good. I just need to record something and share this out. So I've got that ready for you. Where I wanted to start this conversation with what is a component? A component is a reusable element that you can reuse in one document, or you could save the element as a component into a brand kit. Then you could use it on all kinds of projects. The beauty of the component is you can go back to the source and edit it, and you then have the option to update and republish all the places you use that component. Let us start by, I think you'll want a component category in your brand kit. So start at your brand kit, go to your all assets there and make a new asset category. I've already done that, components, nothing in it yet. And you can drag this around and put it where you want. So I think I'm going to use this a lot, so I put it up close to my logos so I can get to it easily. Now that I have a place to put it, and we'll get back to the brand kit in a moment. Now I am working on a presentation. Let's say I have found and I like this little wavy thing, and I want to save that as a component and use that on other slides in this presentation. I can right click and there is the create component. I think first what I'll do is change the color of it and get it on brand. Okay. If I already have a few of those in here, it might suggest to recolor them all. I have isolated so I just have the one, and I will put in the component instead of the graphic image. So right click, saving to create my component. It makes a component. Wave graphic is a good description. Thank you. And if I wanted to put this in the brand kit to use on all kinds of projects, I would save it here. I'll do that in a moment. I will create this one only in this project. Now I've done this a couple of times, so there I've got a couple of versions of it, a wave graphic, and then that's the original. Now I can go to these others and add in that wave graphic. I'll add in that wave graphic. Okay. And once I have done this a few places, notice that the wave graphic is named when I click on it, and there's also a source. So clicking on the source, it will kick me back to that page one where I have the original. Remember, this is a document style. So I can edit the color. Let's do a blue. And it's offering to change all. It's hard to see under this menu. Let me zoom out a little bit. There's a change all. So that's offering to change all the connected components to the source. Because right now, they're all still green. Change all. And there I have the one. That's the original. Here are the other elements, and it has changed them at the source. So that's a document version, all in one project file, all in one design. Let's take another situation. This one's actually going to be really helpful for me. So I gathered together a group of badges, and what I would like to do is save this as a component, and then I'll show you how to update it to the projects. So what I'll first do, now these are all groups, so I will right click and create myself a component. Haven't done it yet. Create the component. This one, I will call it Badges 2020. Well, I won't title it that way yet, because saving to the brand kit, there is my brand kit I want to use, but instead now of logos or graphics or whatever, I've had it in graphics. But when annually I get new badges, then I had to go back and just create a new one. Now I'm going to update it and it will offer to update when I have used it in a project. So I will create that now, create, and then I'll go use it and then show you how I update it. So let's come back. So there it is. There it is. Come back to the presentation. Let's go to the thank you page. And this time let's check this component. See, this is only document components. So I would actually come to my brand kit here. And notice that's a pro feature, right? So coming down, 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 let's find, let's refresh. Let's reload the tab. We should have them. I had that open before. Let's see. Brand kit. Components are now there. Okay, so it's gotten saved to the components. There it is, certification badges. Okay, so where I want to use that in my presentation is on this last slide. Moving things about, pop it on there. Okay, let's just leave it there. Now, if I notice that my badges have updated and I wanted to update that, I need to come into the source and update that. When I click this source button, it should kick me into the source. There it is. And this shows you you're editing the original, the actual one single source for that component. Now I've already got the new versions. Let's go down, down, down. I think I've got them in the graphics. And let's update that Canva piece if I can get there. I need more space. There we go. Let's see if I can get it there. There's the 2026. So I'm updated, and publish the updates is now in my top right corner. Okay, so I've changed the 2025 to 2026, publish the updates, publish those to all of my my brand kit components. And then let's go back. Now it's available for design. So it doesn't push it out automatically. You get to choose if you're updating. Now, when I come to this, again, since I had it open, let's just reload the tab like I've opened it fresh. Let's see how it behaves. Okay. When I click on it, there we go. There is now an update. See the little kind of circly thing to reload with a little red dot? And if I update, it changed out the 2025 badge to the 2026 badge. Friends, I think you're going to have a lot of use for these. Okay, so start building yourself components. You can save what you need within documents. You can save what you need in your brand kits. I think you're going to get a lot of use out of this. Have a great day.